Hello everyone, how are you? How everything is going on from your side? Well, just we talk about our today's topic. So it's how to achieve our goal easily, right? So yeah, firstly I would like to say that I think somebody knows also, right? I think you can say most people knows that there are two types of goal. First one short term goal and second one long term goal, right? Short term goal, you can say suppose that you have fixed for only for 1 week or 1 month, but just we talk about our long term goal. So it is make you have fixed for 4 to 5 years, or you can say for till your life. It also can be possible, right? So yeah, that's why I think, you know what, guys, just we talk about goals. So it's not a easy task to achieve it. So that's why you have to do your 100% if you really want to achieve your target, right? You know, it's very difficult task to achieve your target. You know what? You can say fixed target or select target is very easy. To select the target or plan for your target, planning the goal is easy, but implement or you can say achieve your goal is very difficult. So for that, today I'll tell you lots of ideas and tricks so that you can achieve your goal easily, right? So firstly, I would like to tell you that mostly people try, right? Most people plan to do lots of things, but you can say only fewer people achieve them, right? So that's why there are some tricks so that maybe you can get your goal easily, right? So first one is to-do list. I think somebody people knows also about it, right? That what is to-do list, right? What is to-do list? To-do list is that thing. Suppose that if you get up early in the morning, so firstly write down your work, what you have set for your day. That today you will do that type of work, or these are the work you will do today, right? First thing, and make a list in which you can get at least 5 to 6 work for your day, right? And yeah, please don't, and you can say don't put daily work, daily routine work in that list, right? Put only that work which is different for that particular day, right? So that's why. And you can say you can, and after that check that list at the night when you go for a bed, right? When you go to your bed, check it down that you have done your work or not. Suppose that if you have done only 3 out of 5, right? So don't take it too seriously. Don't think about that too much, right? Because that time if you think about that too much, so that time you can say lose your confidence. And if you lose your confidence, so obviously it's a very critical situation for the time to achieve your goal, right? So don't take it too seriously, because obviously you are human being. So yeah, human being can do mistakes, right? And you can put that pending work for next day to the list, right? Put that pending works and accept that, add 2 to 3 works more, right? So it is, you can say you have prepare your next day to the list, right? So accept that it is the first thing, that is to-do list. And second thing is that you can use calendar. Everybody use calendar, right? Where you can say suppose that today, I mean right now is a month, that is May, right? So you can, I think everybody has seen, and we can say everybody has seen calendar, right? In every calendar there is a you can say separate, I mean separate box for separate date, right? suppose that today is 1st May, right? So for 1st May there is a separate column, for 2nd May there is a second column, 3rd May third column, right? So you can set only one target for a day, any big target for a day, that is very important. So you can write down the target on that particular date column, right? So suppose that for 1st May you have selected today you will complete that particular chapter for a day. So write down the target on the 1st May box, and at the last and main when you go for your bed, so check it that if you have done it, so make a right cross. If you didn't have that work, so make a cross, right? So accept that. Just we talk about third thing. Now we'll talk about long-term goal, which you have set for your month, for your complete month, or for your 2 to 5 years, or 4 years, right? So you can use a chart paper and hang it out in front of your bed whenever you get up or go for a sleep, so you can watch it, right? So obviously if you will see that goals and targets when you will go to sleep, when you get up, so obviously you can say charge your battery, right? So that time you will charge your battery, and you will remind yourself that you have select, or you can say fix that goals for yourself, right? So that time if you will motivate yourself and fix your target, so it's very easy for you to achieve your goal, right? So accept that. Now we will tell you about long-term goal that you have fixed for your life. You can say main goal of your life, for that you exist in this world, right? So firstly you should think, you can say you should select that particular goal, that what is your goal for your life. So I have already shared in my previous video. So if you wanna know that how to select our goal, right, what are the things we should remember while you select your goal for your life, right? So I have made this video, and I'll mention it as I'll mention as link in description box, okay? So check it out from the description box. So yeah, so first thing you can say, third thing is that select your goal, right, properly, and accept that break your goal into objectives, right? Because if you will break your goal into objectives, so that time it will be very easy for you to achieve your goal, right? Because that time you can say short type of target, so it's a very easy task to achieve it's a very easy task to achieve a small task, and compared to long task, you can say lengthy task, right? So that you know what, why? Because that time you have to wait only for a little bit time, right? So yeah, that's it. Will be easy for you to achieve target, right? And accept that if you wanna improve, we can say get your target easily. So for that you can fix boundaries for yourself, that suppose if you have things that you will complete, don't take, right? Suppose that we'll take example of my YouTube videos, suppose, right? I have not select, but yeah, suppose that I have selected I'll make 20 videos in this month. Overall I'll make 20 videos in this complete month. So I have to think that for 1 week how much I'll make, in 1 week how much I'll make, right? So I have to select for 1 week, right? So then after we can focus about, you can say, complete month target. So it will be very easy for you, or you can say me also, right? So if you will select particular boundaries, so that time you will give your 100%, that I have to fix, you can suppose that I have fixed 20 videos, right? And there are 4 weeks in a month, right? So 5 videos in 1 week, right? So you have to make 5, I have to make 5 videos in a week. So only then I can complete my target, I can achieve my target, that 20 videos I can make in a month, right? So that's why fixed boundaries for yourself, for your targets. It will give boost your confidence, boost your esteem, right? So yeah, that's it from my side, and accept that whatever the target you have achieved, it should be achievable, measurable, and fixed. It should not be dull. Its image should be clear, and yeah, it should be according to your desire. You should not listen about other people that it is good for them, it will be good for you also, right? And most important thing, never think that this particular target is big. If you have think, if you can, I mean, if you have think that you can achieve it, so obviously you will achieve it. Don't think that it is too big or too short, right? If you will, I think it's also a pro, and you can say, if somebody I think somebody has says that if you can think it, so you can do it also, right? So yeah, from this line I'll finish my words. I'll finish. I think now I should sum up my video. So yeah, you can say, if you like my videos, if you like my views, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And most important is, please comment on my videos, so that I can know that how I'm working, right? How much I'm giving. I mean, you are understanding my views or not, right? So yeah, if there is some mistakes, and you can say there is a lack of something, so you can tell me through comments, right? I'll read all the comments, whatever you do, right? So please tell me that what are the, you can say, remaining or mistakes in my video, so that I can improve myself. Because nobody is a scholar there. I mean, in this world, nobody is a scholar except some scholars. Yeah, right. So nobody is a scholar here. Everybody is on a learning phase, including me, right? So yeah, that's it from my side. So if you like, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do comment. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching my video.